Hey everyone, so today I am making refrigerator pickles with a recipe that I found online. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So I am using pickling salt, some minced garlic, dill, some onion, white onion, distilled white vinegar, and these are going to be dill pickles. So I have a mason jar with a lid, and I have my mini cucumbers. You can use whatever kind of cucumbers you want, and I'm just cutting mine into like little pickle slices. You can spear your cucumbers, put whole cucumbers, however you want to do it. These hamburger pickles are my favorite kind. Okay, so now I have all of my cucumbers cut the way that I want them, so I'm going to start adding them to my jar. You could also add your seasoning at the bottom at first if you would like, but I didn't end up doing it that way. Okay, so there is my jar of cucumbers. You can use whatever seasonings you like black peppercorns, garlic, red pepper flakes, but I am using some white onion and dill and garlic because that's what I have. So I just cut a few slices of onion just to add a little flavor. Okay, so now I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of garlic. A lot of this is really just a taste, so just whatever you prefer for your pickles. Okay, now I'm going to add my dill. I don't have fresh dill sprigs, so I just have this like chopped dill. I'm going to add about a big full tablespoon. And then this is my brine that I already made. It consisted of 4 cups of water, 4 cups of boiled water, half cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of pickling salt, which has been cooled. Make sure you cool it before you put it in your jar. So I'm just going to pour that to about a little bit under the top. Make sure you cover everything in the jar. Just going to go ahead and wipe off all the extra dill of the jar. And again, these pickles are for the refrigerator. They're not shelf stable. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add on both pieces of my lid. Make sure you let this sit in the refrigerator for 24 to 48 hours before you try to eat your pickles. And again, these will be good for about 3 to 4 weeks in the refrigerator. Just looks so pretty with all that dill in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.